Yes, my people. All right, so it's out with the old, in with the new. It's the Orlando Pirates, right? A couple of new signings have been announced, but also we are seeing a couple of players set to leave the club. Let's quickly talk about it. So obviously, Pirates had to let go of a couple of players because we had an overhaul of signings during the beginning of the season, right? We also brought in a couple of players in the January transfer window. So the squad was beginning to expand and we needed to get rid of some deadwood, right? And players that might not necessarily fit under the system of Coach Wadu. And I think Utsehofatso Mabasa is one of those players, right? Evidence Mahopa was the main man last season. This season we brought in Umbutuma, who was highly preferred by Coach Wadu. Seems like there was no place for Utsehofatso Mabasa because Oradio Pane, when he was fit, he was someone who was also given a chance. So the sniper went on loan to Stellenbosch in January and eventually his contract here has not been renewed, right? So he's set to leave. I'm just curious as to why, what happened really. Hopefully we find out from this documentary that's currently playing. But anyways, Bani Leshandu, he's been around at the Orlando Pirates, one of two right backs to leave during this window. Utabiso Libito is another one. Both of them injury prone, but decent players. However, we could do better. And already we have the likes of Usibilibili, the likes of Dino van Rooyen, and I think maybe another right back is going to be added for next season. Kim Vuidi and Gilberto Silva, I think they were brought in to be squad rotation players, but players that are coming from abroad, they would want to be in the starting 11, right? And they didn't seem to fit in and hit the ground running immediately, and that's what you need at a big club like the Orlando Pirates. So they are also set to leave the club, right? But one person that breaks my heart, absolutely breaks my heart, is the departure of Sipho Mbule, right? I remember I was so excited when he signed for the Pirates beginning of the season. I made a video screaming here. I couldn't believe it. But finally, we have a quality midfielder who possesses all the attributes we need. But unfortunately, his priorities lie elsewhere and not in football. And to play for a club like Orlando Pirates, your main priority should be on the pitch. He is also set to leave a master chef. Actually, Kaizer Chiefs, this is a player that could do wonders for you. I mean, the Chiefs, not that they are not a huge establishment, but going into next season, there's not many expectations. He could get in there and be the biggest influence in the changing room, I can assume. He has the personality. Umbule is loved by everyone wherever he goes. Leo Lamtutu, he may have fucked himself up there. But yeah. All right, and with the new signings, we needed some reinforcements in that right centre-back position, right? Uxoki has taken up different responsibilities at the Orlando Pirates. Olisanda also left the club earlier on this season. So there was no one really other than Ulibone Sioma at that right centre-back position. So we needed someone else. And the Pirates have identified Usbangani Zulu, the Richards Bay, now former Richards Bay defender, right? Very tall, robust, built like a defender. He gave us a lot of problems, locked down a lot of people emhlatuzi there. And then with the departure of Sipho Mbule, we brought in Umthetheleli Mthiane, right? He didn't have the best of seasons, but maybe the complacency was due to the fact that he knew that he would be signing for the Orlando Pirates at the end of the season, right? But he's still an exceptional player, and I think there's a lot of attributes that still need to be improved, but huge potential from him. Apart from Utsepang Moremi, we do not have a natural left-footed winger, right? And Muremi needed some competition, obviously. He was getting too complacent. But also, Saleng has left, Muhaunkota has left, and we haven't really replaced them fully. Buhale Ngwato is the player we've identified. He's had a breakthrough season with the Isiwelele under Coach Lihlonono Siema, right? He was under the stewardship of Coach Rasco, the DDC coach of the Orlando Pirates currently, that has just won the league for them. So a very, very exciting player, right? Huge potential and huge career ahead of him. And it's very good that he's starting it off at the Orlando Pirates. You can get something from him. Very pacey, very direct, also has a goal in him. I like players like this, man. Youngsters like him, they really excite me. It's similar to when Unkota broke through the scene. He was just fearless and just robust. And I think that's what we are going to get from this guy next season. And last but not least, with the departure of Utsehofatso Mabasa, you obviously need 3 or 4 strikers as a team that's going to compete in so many competitions like Orlando Pirates, right? You need a lot of competition in that number 9 position. And the Orlando Pirates have identified Kapani Lungu, a long-time servant for SuperSport United. He doesn't have the most prolific of goal-scoring records, only 29 goals in 212 games, right? And he got 3 of those goals against the Sundowns, by the way, towards the end of the season. Maybe that's what impressed the Orlando Pirates, but they seem to love the strikers who struggle for goals, right? And maybe Ulungu can bring in something to that system. Coach Wadu offers a lot of pace, a lot of strength. He's very direct and kind of tidy on the ball. Good hold-up play. He'll give good competition to Mbutuma and Evidence Mahopa, man. And we need strikers like him in the CAF Champions League. Yeah, you know what? I'm very happy with the business we've done so far. Still a couple of areas where we are lacking. We still need a couple of right backs. Also, maybe another left back. We can do with a new attacker. I wouldn't mind if Squishy comes through, right? He can play in multiple positions in that attacking front. Can play as a 10. But also, we're still in need of wingers, right? Apart from Apolis, we don't have that many prolific wingers. So he can add there as well. Tell me what you think in the comment sections. Are you happy? Who do you still want? Who are you upset that they have left? And you know what? If you got this far, Ija game, I love you. Thank you so much. Bye. If you got this far, comment game. GAME. Let's go.